Good morning. How you guys doing today? Welcome back to the channel. Bringing you an early video this morning. Wanted to make sure everyone is up to date on what is going on in the GRT, the graph. Yesterday, we did have this descending kind of channel going on, right? We kept on hitting this resistance. We broke out of it, and we came back. We tested, and since then, we have gone and kind of consolidated in this pattern over here. As we're making this video, we are having this tiny bit of a breakout, right? So I was trying to find what was going to be going on in this video, or what's going on in GRT. I was looking at moving averages, the stochastic, RSI. I was looking at MACD, and I couldn't find anything up until this point right here. But I'll go ahead and I'll go over what I was looking for before to bring you guys anything. I was looking at the RSI down here and did notice that we bounced off that median. I don't know if you guys remember from that previous video that I showed you. We had this median kind of sitting about right there on our RSI, where it was this deciding factor whether if we were going to be down on the RSI or if we were going to be going up on the RSI. This isn't a perfect line, so please don't kill me for it. But we did come down and bounce off of that RSI, and now we're moving up. I'm just now seeing this, but about 15 minutes ago, I didn't know what was going to be happening. We were kind of in the middle. It could have gone either way. I wasn't really sure what content to bring you guys today. As you can see, I was looking over here on the MACD and looking at the same thing right here. We're just kind of in the middle. And mind you guys, this is on the 15-minute chart. I wasn't quite sure what was going to be happening. But anyways, we did have a small breakout, but this is really good news considering that we've held this support, right? This long trend line right here, this green line goes all the way back to the birth of GRT. We did have support here. We caught support here. In the very, very short term, last night we caught support over here, and then we caught support again, and we're bouncing off of it as we make this video. Coming into this video, like I said 15 minutes ago, I wasn't really sure on what was going to be happening, but you can see we finally got this green candle, this positive momentum that's going to be happening with the GRT. A lot of this is going to be based off of what Bitcoin is going to be doing. Bitcoin is just kind of in this solid or this sideways consolidation pattern, not really knowing what's going to be happening. You can see that Bitcoin just got above this 20-day moving average, and it looks like we're coming back down to test it. And whether we go down, that's going to determine what's going to be happening with the price of GRT. If we get this solid bounce up and we start getting above this 27, I'm going to say 500 level on Bitcoin, then we can most definitely see a much bigger move, right? We could probably come up to this. What we're really trying to do in the very short term, and I like to zoom in on these charts as much as I can. Let me go ahead and just get rid of my lines here. When we can't see what's going on these bigger time frames, we have to zoom in. We have to dig in a little deeper, get our microscope out, and see where we're going to be going, at least for the short term. This kind of determines what direction or momentum we're going to be having. So you might call this silly, but because GRT is so new, we have to go on these smaller time frames, right? So sometimes I like to play around and go on the minute chart, and you get to see stuff like this. Check out this green candle that we just got. Huge green candle. I mean, and this is I mean, if you go back, that's the biggest green candle that we've had, going back all the way over here. That's insane. This tells me that something big is about to happen, and that's why I like to zoom in to these charts so closely and really get some kind of microscopic kind of view on what is going to be happening with GRT. As a swing trader, you want to have that edge, and most people will call it silly and ridiculous. But if I'm going to be trading this thing within the next few hours, I need to be able to see what's going to be going on. So as you guys can see, we were in this very, very small channel, right? Only for a few 4 hours, maybe 5 hours. And we did get this breakout, which is really nice. Got above that 20 moving average, and we are starting to move up, which is really good. We did hold that support down here. So from the previous videos, I did expect after we broke out of that descending kind of channel that I was talking about yesterday, which is this guy right here. I was expecting we were going to get some kind of pattern that we are just kind of bouncing around in here, and we are getting pushed into this support line, this kind of long term, right? I say long term, a week and a half support line for GRT. Now, so we're going to go ahead, wait. We're going to see what happens if we come above this 42 line and we can kind of break this last high right here. That's really good. I'm kind of hoping we can kind of get separated from this support line. I don't want to be dragging along here, because the longer we drag along here, the better chance that we're going to fall back down, and we'll probably come back and hit this 40-cent area. I don't want to get too bearish on you guys, but I do want to just, talk about the upside and the downside if things like that were to happen. So, but for the next target that we're going to be looking at if we do go up is this 45-cent area. It's not too far away. This isn't a huge jump up, guys. So from the current price right now, if we were to go up, that's only 7%. We all know how volatile this chart can be. It's insane. It can go from 0 to 60 really quick. And just looking at the momentum and the trend break from this longer trend line back here, that we were just going from, what was it, 80 cents all the way down to 34 cents. Huge drop, right? I was looking for that opportunity. Where were we going to get that break? And once we were able to establish that support line down here, we were able to kind of come off and see this new data and kind of give us a better view of where we're going to be going. So just wanted to update you guys really quickly on what was going to be going on with the GRT. My name is Leland. If you guys have not already, please subscribe, leave a like, and hit that bell notification, as I do plan on dropping more TAs later today. All right, thank you for watching. Have a great day.